Is your Ubuntu 2004 refusing to boot? Don't panic. You don't necessarily need to reinstall. This video will guide you through repairing your system using a live USB drive, rescuing your data and your operating system. First things first, you'll need a bootable Ubuntu 2004 USB drive. If you don't have one, you'll need to create one using another computer. There are many tutorials online for creating a bootable USB. So find one that works for you, then insert that bootable USB into the computer you are trying to fix. Now, power on your computer and ensure it boots from the USB drive. You might need to adjust your BIOS settings. To change the boot order, consult your computer's manual for instructions on accessing the BIOS and selecting the USB drive as the boot device. Once booted, select Try Ubuntu. Once the live environment has loaded, open a terminal. This is where we'll execute the commands needed to diagnose and repair your system. Look for the terminal icon. It's usually a black square, or search for terminal in the applications menu. We'll be using a few command line tools to analyze your disk partitions and repair any potential boot issues. Don't worry, I'll be telling you the most common problems that can occur, but it is important to diagnose your specific problem first. One useful tool is Partition. This program lets you visually inspect your drive partitions. Look for your Ubuntu system partition and make a note of what partition it is. If you do not see Ubuntu partition, then there is a strong chance your hard drive has failed. If you suspect a problem with your bootloader, a command can help you reinstall it. This is a common fix for boot issues. Warning: installing a bootloader on the incorrect partition can result in data loss, so ensure you have selected the correct Ubuntu partition and drive. After executing the necessary commands, reboot your computer from the hard drive. Remove the USB drive during the reboot process. Hopefully, your Ubuntu system will now boot successfully. And that's it. You've successfully repaired your Ubuntu 2004 system using a live USB drive. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to ask questions in the comments below. It's that easy.